they're saying, Mills, this is my train song. I listen to it and I pretend I'm in a movie. This is a great one to pretend you're in a movie to. It's in 500 Days of Summer, isn't it? You can imagine you're in a rom-com to this one. Normally starring Ashton Kutcher and you. That was Temperature, Sweet Disposition, and Dr. Dre with I Need a Doctor on Radio 1.
Ashton Kutcher and me?
Whoever's singing it.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, got to put yourself in that place.
Do you dream of being in a rom-com with Ashton Kutcher?
He's just always in them, isn't he? That's all he does. It's 8:47. Okay, smooth talking.